Okay, so the question says capital F of x is equal to integral 0 to x f of t dt. So from here, one relation that we can directly write, if I differentiate both sides, I'm going to get f dash of x is going to come as f of x, right? Differentiation of the capital F is going to come as small f. Now, whatever the relation that they have given here, so I'll be writing this one as two different integrations. So one is f dash of x into cos x plus capital F of x into cos x. So we'll take the indefinite integration of this. Then after that, we can substitute the limits. So let's take the indefinite integration. So here I'm going to use integration by parts by taking this f dash of x as the second function, because we know the integration of the f dash is going to come as capital F. And similarly, cos x here, I'm taking this one as the first function. And similar way, whenever we are trying to do the second one, here I'm going to take this one as the first function and your cos x as going to be your second function. So let's apply the integration by parts here. So see what we are going to get. So this one, first function into integral of the second function. So that will be cos x into f of x minus differentiation of the first function, which is going to be minus sin x. So that will automatically become plus integral sin x that we are going to get. And integration of the second function, that will be f of x is what we are going to get, plus if you expand this one using IBP, so again the same thing, only first function into integration of the second function. So integration of the cos x is going to come as sin x minus integral differentiation of f dash. Differentiation of the first function, if we do, that is going to be small f of x, and integration of the cos x, which is going to give you sin x. Okay, so this is what we got here. If you're doing the integration, so now here one thing that you can directly observe. So this value and this value here are going to get cancelled. So we are left with cos x f of x plus f of x into sin x, right? So the indefinite integration given us cos x into f of x plus sin x into capital F of x that we got here. But we are solving the question from 0 to pi. So let's apply the limits now. So here we are going to get this one as cos pi f of pi minus cos 0 into f of 0 plus, when you apply this upper limit or lower limit here, anyway we are going to get sin as 0 only, so that everything is going to come as 0, right? So this is ultimately going to be cos pi. We know that is going to be minus 1. And f of pi, in the given question, they have already given the value of f of minus pi as f of pi as minus x minus cos 0 is 1, and we are going to get f of 0, right? So that is what we got as the integration of this one, that is 6 minus f of 0. But in the question, they have given the answer for this one equal to 2. So that means what we are going to get here, 6 minus f of 0 is going to be equal to 2. So from here, we are going to get the value of f of 0 equal to 4. So this is what they are asking, find the value of f of 0, so which came out to be 4 as the answer for this question.